Hello students, welcome again. Today I will discuss new topics, that is manufacturing industries. Now let us start. See, manufacturing industries. First we will know what to mean by manufacturing. See, manufacturing means this raw material, when this raw material process into valuable goods, that is known as manufacturing. Okay. For example, if it is a cotton, a raw material, and when it is processes, then it is converted into clothes, means valuable goods. So this manufacturing, we will say that converting of raw material into valuable goods is known as manufacturing. Now let us study its importance. First is, it is the backbone of development. Okay, means it is very important for the development of our country. Second is, it reduces the dependence of people on agriculture. See, many peoples are working on agriculture sector. So when people will shift from agriculture to industrial sector, it means there will be reduction of burden on the land. Okay, so we are saying that it reduces the dependence of people on agriculture. See, this industrial, no, manufacturing, this is industrial sector. It means that it is secondary sector, which we have already discussed in the sectors of an economy. Third important is, it generates employment. Of course, it generates employment like agriculture, but here we want to say that the people, maximum people are working on the agriculture sector. Okay, but when the people are shifting from agriculture sector to industrial sector, then what is happening? There is the reducing of dependence of the people on the agriculture sector. Okay, next point is, it helps in foreign exchange. For example, when there is production of goods, maximum goods, then what we are doing? We are exporting to the other countries, and with that export, we are gaining foreign exchange. Okay. Now, next importance is, industries and agriculture move hand in hand. It means to say that both are interdependent with each other. See, industries are providing equipment, machines, tractors to agriculture sector. Okay, and this agriculture sector is providing raw material to industries. So we can say that these two sectors are interdependent with each other. So they move in hand to hand. Okay. Now next is challenges in terms of, see, challenges in terms of globalization. What this mean to say? Globalization, you know very well, integrating with the rest of the world. Okay. Well, now what are the challenges? Challenges means that it means the quality of goods should be par with the global economy. It means when we are producing goods, it should be high quality so that we can compete with other countries, this global economy. See, here we will see the contribution of industry to national economy. First point is given, 17% of GDP by manufacturing industries, and total it is giving 27% of industry. It means that 27%, total 27% of GDP is given from industry, but from manufacturing sector it is contributing 17% of GDP. Okay. Second point is lower than some East Asian countries. See, our economy is giving 17% of GDP, this manufacturing sector, but it is very low when we compare from East Asian countries. Why? Because East Asian countries is giving at least 30 to 35% of GDP. They are contributing 30 to 35% of GDP. Okay, so our economy is very less from this East Asian countries. Okay. Now third point is given, desired growth rate 12% per annum, but our economy has 7% per annum. See, it means to say that growth required is needed 12% per annum, But actually what we are producing, no, what you are giving just 7% per annum. It means in a year we are only contributing 7%, but it should be how much? 12%. But we are only contributing 7%. This is very less. It means that we have to increase the percentage of GDP. Okay. Fourth, establishment of National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council. In short, we are saying NMCC. See, why there is establishment of NMCC by government? Because to increase the desired growth rate of our industry. So we are establishing this NMCC. Okay. The main aim is to establishment of NMCC is to increase the growth rate. Okay. Now, industrial location. What are the factors which are responsible for the industrial location? Means there are many factors. The first, it is written raw material. Of course, industry will set up in that area where they can easily get raw material. Okay. Second is labor. No, industrial location will set up when they will get cheap labor. Third, capital. They can easily get this capital. Fourth, that is power, electricity. Okay, because this is very necessary for the industrial. So it will set up where they will easily provided with this power. Next is government policy. Okay, and this last is cost of production. Means cost of production, it is very important matter for the industrial location. Okay, when it will be low cost of production, it means they will get more profit. Now next point is industrial and urbanization. See, first we will see that the location, industrial location, this all 6 points is very necessary for the ideal location of the industries. Okay, here I have written industrial and urbanization goes hand in hand. What it does mean? It means that when there will be setup of industrial sector, of course there will be increase in urbanization, because when it will set up, when industries will set up, there will be development in the sectors of infrastructure, like health, education, okay, schools, all this will set up with the setup of this industry sector. Okay, slowly and slowly urbanization will also increase. So it has been said that industries and this urbanization goes in hand to hand. Okay.